Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this AIRBANK A10 air inflator or ball inflator, tire inflator. I've been using this just 1 hour ago outside for my electric scooter, and because I had such a great experience I decided to make right away a review about this thing. So what we get is this package, and we get a lot of accessories. Get this charging cable, USB-C, but you can use any USB-C. Then we get a lot of nozzles here, even one metal adapter. Then we get the normal charging tube. There are two really interesting and nice things with this inflating tube. First thing is that here at the tip it's very narrow, and with a lot of new devices, especially like electric scooters also, you don't have a lot of space, and with these standard inflating tubes they are too wide, you cannot inflate them. Here with this thing it worked really nice. With my old pump I always had to use an adapter. Here with this thing it works right away without an adapter. What's also really good on this side here, there's some plastic or rubber outside, and so it doesn't get very hot. Usually here close to the pump, that's usually the place where it gets the hottest, and here it's nicely protected. With the old inflator which I have burned my fingers a couple of times. That's not going to happen here. And we get of course this instructions manual, even comes with an email support, so how to use that. We long press to turn it on. What we can see, it has really large numbers and a bright illumination. That's very helpful. Outside, the old one which I had was barely visible in direct sun. Here with this one here, absolutely no problem. Then here on the left side we have a couple of different presets, like for bicycles or scooters or cars or volleyballs, but you can still change that. You can see you can go up and down with the plus and minus. If you need to adjust a lot, you can stay on the plus or minus, and then it will adjust really fast. Every time you come back to the preset it will be the same. But there's the normal mode here without preset. You can change that and it will always stay like that. But you can also switch between bar and PSI. When you long press here, you can see that. So no matter what you set, you can always switch between PSI and bars. It will automatically convert this. Then we have a light here in the front. You can see that. You can turn it on and off with this button. And when you have adjusted it to the right setting, you can start inflating. Of course, you would have to add the tube here. What's also really nice here, sometimes when you are not working on the ground, maybe the valve is a little bit in a higher position or it's a little bit hard to attach, then sometimes you want to work with both of your hands, something like that, and you cannot do that when you're in a high position. So you have to do this only with the hose, with the inflating hose, something like that, and then you have it attached to the valve. And then this problem, you have to attach the inflator, but here it's very easy. Usually it's then going to be a big problem, but you can see how fast you can do that. I've never seen that with this really convenient shape of this inflator. You can do this in seconds, and then you can start inflating. Now when you have set it to the right setting, you can just push here and you can start and stop inflating. I'll show you that here. Of course here it's not showing anything because there's no pressure here, but if you're outside you will see the numbers going up and then stop automatically at the value which you have given here. So again, I've been using that on my electric scooter this morning and it worked so nice. I've never seen that with an automatic inflator, so I wanted to show you that, and I can give you full recommendation on that. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.